Hey, what's up guys? It's LBS here again doing another product review for you guys. So for today's video, we have this mini wireless keyboard from Seneo. The model is SMK1 and this is what the box looks like. On the back, you have the main features of the keyboard. It's got 92 keys in total. You have an option of having the LED backlights turned on or off. It can reach up to 25 meters. It's got an adjustable DPI. It sleeps and wakes up automatically. And finally, it's got a removable battery that came with it for free. So just down below, you have the icons that the keyboard is compatible with. The first one, we have the TV box, but for some reason mine didn't work when I tried it. My TV provider is with Shaw in Canada. Tried it several times with no success. Next, we have the iPad icon. I tested that as well on my iPad mini via Bluetooth, and that too didn't work as well. So next one is the Xbox icon. I didn't have the chance to test that one out because I don't have the Xbox unit. Next, we have the PC, which works perfectly fine. It's pretty much a plug and play for the PC, so there's no issue there for me. Next is the smartphone icon. I tried the Android and the iOS via Bluetooth. Both operating system didn't work or didn't detect the keyboard. However, it works perfectly fine if you use a wired USB cable, which it doesn't come with in the box. And finally, you have your smart TV, which that didn't work either on my Sony TV, which has that USB slot on the back. So that is that. So now let's open the box and see what we have inside. The first thing we see is the mini keyboard itself. Let's just put that on the side for now and see what else we have inside the box. So what comes in the box, you have your micro USB cable. It is not the standard micro USB cable that you use for the smartphone devices. It's something else. It's more like a micro USB for the camera, like the DSLR camera. So that's kind of useless. And lastly, you have your user manual. For the keyboard itself, here it is guys. It's very light and comfortable in the hand. It's got that suede feel texture to it. It does provide some nice grip to it when holding it. The buttons are very clicky, which is good. On the back is your battery compartment. Inside you will find your USB receiver, which you attach to your computer or to your smartphone. So now I'll show you guys a quick demonstration on how you connect this keyboard to your smartphone devices or to your PCs. It's very simple. All you have to do is just plug the USB receiver to your devices, turn on the on switch on the mini keyboard, and you're pretty much activated. So right now I am connecting it to my Galaxy S7 Edge. As you can see, it just connects instantly. It's very easy to use. You got your mouse pad on the top, you got your keyboard at the bottom, and you got some other multimedia keys on the right and to your left. Alright, so the same thing goes to your PC. It's very simple to connect and to use. So there you have it guys, that was my review on the mini wireless keyboard from Seneo. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I'll put a link on the description below. So until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!